In this video, you'll learn how to remix AI videos using Higgsfield AI. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to help you navigate the platform effectively and create unique video content. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once the page loads, look for the AI video generator and image generator section. You should see a clear interface that allows you to explore various options. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Mixed Media. This selection will direct you to the Mixed Media creation area. After clicking, a new page will appear showcasing the tools available for remixing videos. After that, find the button that says Change. Clicking this will allow you to proceed with selecting the media you wish to remix. A new interface will load, prompting you to choose your desired video or media files. At this point, you will need to choose the media to mix. Look for the section that displays various media options. Select the appropriate media based on your remixing needs. Once you make a selection, the interface will update to reflect your choice. Now click on Upload a video to edit. This option will allow you to add your video file to the project. A file dialog will appear, enabling you to browse your computer for the video you wish to remix. Once you have located your video file selected by clicking on it, after selecting, click the Open button in the file dialog. The system will begin the upload process, which may take some time depending on your internet speed and the file size. Following the upload, you will see the option Upload your video. Click this to confirm the upload. The system will process your video, and you may see a loading indicator while this occurs. Next, click on Save. This step is crucial as it stores your uploaded video within the platform. After saving, a confirmation message should appear, indicating that your video has been successfully saved. After saving, it's time to adjust your video settings. Click on Resolution to set the desired quality of your output video. A menu will appear, allowing you to select from various resolution options. Then click on Settings to configure additional parameters for your video. This action will lead you to a settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your video remix. Continue by selecting Main Instrument Color. This allows you to change the primary color of the instruments in your video. Once you make your selection, the interface will update to show the new color options. Next, click on Background Color. Here you can choose the background color for your remix. The changes will be reflected immediately on the preview screen. After adjusting the background, click on Main Instrument. This option lets you select which instrument will feature prominently in your video. The interface will display available instruments for you to choose from. Now click on Generate Preview. This action will create a preview of your video remix based on the settings you've configured. A loading screen may appear while the preview is being generated. Finally, click on Generate. This step will finalize your video remix, and depending on the complexity and size of the video, processing may take a moment. Once completed, you will receive a notification confirming the successful generation of your video remix. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.